What's up, everybody? Welcome to 2024 Panini Football 6-box mixer we got going here. Pick your team style. Shout out to everybody watching over on YouTube. If you're watching over on YouTube, come join us over on Facebook where you can join up in all these breaks. Also, we run a lot of breaks on our eBay store. You can find links to join our Facebook community and see our eBay store there in the description if you're watching on YouTube. All our Facebook members, shout out. I got you tagged there in the chat. Let's go through and say what's up to everybody through our team owner list. Wayne Brimley in the house tonight. He's got the Arizona Cardinals. Wayne also working with those Dirty Birds, the Atlanta Falcons in this one. Ravens is going to be Dalton Thompson. The Buffalo Bills is Bernard Newton Jr. in this one. Boom shakalaka boom himself, Mr. Boom shakalaka boom. Carolina Panthers, Dalton Thompson in this one. The Bears, Artie Giordano Jr. Bangalane, Wayne Brimley won the Bengals in this one. Cleveland Browns is going to be Jeff McNall Jr. Them boys, Dallas Cowboys, Jennifer Highland working with him in this one. Denver Broncos is Billy Stopp. Justin Story has the Detroit Lions. The Green Bay Packers taking a Lambeau leap is Joe Fisher. Those Jacksonville Jaguars is going to be Toby Harms. Houston Texans is Abigail Brimley. Indianapolis Colts, Wayne Brimley. Those Brimleys, lots of teams tonight. It's going to be a big night for the Brimleys. So Wayne's got the Colts. Chiefs, Artie Giordano Jr. Chiefs looking to take another championship this weekend. Can they make it 3 in a row? We shall see. Artie Giordano Jr. working with the Kansas City Chiefs tonight. The Raiders, Black Hole, Las Vegas Raiders going to Eric Tovar in this one. The Los Angeles Chargers, those Bolts going to Eric Tovar as well. So Eric Tovar with the Raiders and the Chargers. Los Angeles Chargers, Eric Tovar. Los Angeles Rams is Fernando Lopez. The Miami Dolphins is going to be J.R. Worthington in this one. The Minnesota Vikings is Jennifer Highland. New England Patriots with my guy Drake May. Andrew Maney, he's a big Tar Heels fan. He's hoping to pull some Drake tonight. Good luck, Andrew. New Orleans Saints in this one is Jenny from the block. Jennifer Highland working with him. The New York Giants is Abigail Brimley. Wayne Brimley has the Jets, Jets. Those Philadelphia Eagles fly. Todd Bahel taking it back to the Super Bowl this weekend with those Eagles. Pittsburgh Steelers is Abigail Brimley. The 49ers, Eric Tovar in this one. The Sea Chickens, Seattle Seahawks going to Jennifer Holland. Buccaneers is going to be Wayne Brimley. The Tennessee Titans is Billy Stopp. The Washington Commanders with star rookie Jaden Daniels. Bernard Newton Jr. He's going to be watching this one on replay. Good luck, Bernard. And the point spot is Wayne Brimley if we're at any Panini points. Or we hit a player or something that isn't on a checklist. That's the other spot. I don't think there's any of that. But I don't know all these checklists, and it surprises me all the time. Like the other night, we hit a Ken Rosenthal, the announcer, from baseball autograph. And had to random it to the break. If it was this break, it would have gone to the other spot. All right. So tonight we've got down there on the bottom middle, you're looking at a 2024 Panini Mosaic No Huddle hobby box. That one right there. This is Panini Origins Blaster, International Blaster right here. And then surrounding them, we've got 4 Donruss International hobby boxes. So it's 9:30 p.m. Eastern on the dot. So without any further ado, I just need y'all to kick back, relax, and enjoy the break. You're now rocking with old Jim Hands. Let's get it on. Mills Lane style, baby. Come on now. Looking for the exclusive status die cut parallels out of these. 5 packs, 5 cards per pack, 6 cards or 6 packs per box is 30 cards per box. New, looking for the ultra rare first class insert. 3 parallels and 2 inserts. You can hit those turn of the century autographs out of these. We've pulled them already, so you can get them. We do know that from experience, and I have learned this opens from the front. Check that out. Amazing. Empty box. Get this little thing out of here. Nothing's flirting with the bottom there. Slip down in there or anything. All right, first pack of the night. Let's go. Hey, y'all know it's a big week because tomorrow is the release for Photogenic and Donruss. All right. So we might have a hit right on top here, I'm thinking. Oh, it's super short print. Check this out. Anthony Gold, super short print, rookie, 6 of 25. Colts is Wayne Brimley with the big hit right off the bat with the black. Anthony Gold, 6 of 25. Nice one, Wayne. C.D. Lamb. This is Anthony Richardson, Brock Purdy, and Alex Anzalone. So Wayne Brimley getting on the board early. He hopes often, right, Wayne? There we go. Next pack. Oh, check it out right off the bat. Bernard. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Jaden Daniels. Extra edition rookie card right there for the Commanders. He's in the LSU uni in that one. We'll take it. C.J. Stroud, Demario Douglas, Jeremiah Trotter, and Roquan Smith. Yeah, so I do have Photogenic and Donner's football on the way. Y'all ready to go downtown this week or what? We also have 2025 Top Series 1 baseball. We've got full case pick your player break live in our eBay store as we speak. Go put some bids down on some players right now. Or after the break, I'll let you wait till after the break. All right, Jacob Cowing rookie is going to be our first one, or our parallel here. 144 of 399 for the 49ers. Joe Burrow, Ray Lewis, A.J. Brown, and Tank Dell. Jaden Daniels. All right, next pack. On top, we've got Ramondre Stevenson here. Marquise Colston, Myles Garrett, John Elway, and LT Lawrence Taylor. Right on top in this one. How about a Dallas Turner? Dallas Turner rookie right here. 10 of 249. Minnesota Vikings. Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. DJ Moore, Otis Anderson, and Puka Nacua. It's Dallas Turner, though. Who's got those Vikings? Jennifer Highland. Jenny from the block with the hit, y'all. Oh, look on top here. Here's a nice one for the Lions. Lions is Justin Story in this one. Justin Story with a nice Sammy Laporta. These spellbound. Cool cards. He gets the R in Laporta. Spellbound. 158 of 349 on the Sam Laporta there for the Lions and Justin Story. TJ Watt, C. Mack, Christian McCaffrey, Devin Witherspoon, and James Conner. This one there for Laporta. All right, one Elite International box down. Let's rip another one, and then we'll rip that Origins box, okay? We'll save the no huddle for last. Empty box. And right on top, is that LT again? I believe it is. New York Giants, 56 of 249. That's Mr. Lawrence Taylor. Abigail. Let's go, Abby. LT hit Jordan Love, Raheem Mostert, Micah Hyde, and Evan Ingram. Rookie on deck, Adonai Mitchell. Adonai Mitchell for the Colts. In the Texas uni here. This is Bobby Okereke. Bobby Okereke. Micah Parsons, Cameron Jordan, and Matthew Stafford. Good reporter in front of Jackson Smith and Jigba. Hey, we like that. Seattle Seahawks. Jennifer Holland, Jenny from the block, 11 of 49 on the Smith and Jigba. Alex Anzalone, Big Mike Evans, Amari Cooper. That's Coop in the house, and an Emmitt Smith. Hit on top here, Jeremiah Trotter Jr. Hey, that's the status. Ooh, it's to 9. 2 of 9, Eagles. Todd Bayhell, status die cut. 2 of 9. Jeremiah Trotter Jr. For those Super Bowl bound Philadelphia Eagles in this one. Roquan Smith, C.D. Lamb, Anthony Richardson, and Mr. Brock Purdy out here. All right. Nice hit right there. A couple nice ones out here. Spellbound, Jeremiah Trotter, Eagles, Todd Bayhell. Nice one, Todd. Next pack, this is going to be, Nate Wiggins here. Nate Wiggins. Baltimore, Dalton with the hit. Dalton, that's 60 of 399 on the Wiggins. Tank Dell, C.J. Stroud, Demario Douglas, and Jeremiah Trotter. Last pack here of box number 2. Tidal Waves, and it is numbered. The Cheetah, Tyreek Hill. It is 008 of 349 right there. Miami Dolphins, J.R. Worthington with the hit. LT Lawrence Taylor, Joe Burrow, Ray Lewis, and A.J. Brown closing out that box. Let me get these numbered hits top loaded up real quick. And then we're on. Let's do the Origins next. Go ahead and knock out that Origins. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Lawrence Taylor, one of the all-time greats, if not the all-time great. He's something else, man. All right, 36 cards per box in these Origins International. You're going to find 14 rookies and 5 inserts featuring the game's top players. Looking for ultra rare, big bang, and pedigree inserts. All right. This week we'll have Photogenic and Donruss football. It's the first time they've released Photogenic football. Some of you might have seen the Photogenic basketball release that Panini put out last year. So this year they're doing it with football as well. I cut that. All right. And then, of course, Donruss, where you can find the home of the downtown. All right, Origins, empty. First pack coming at us. Brandon Ayuk. Something funky looking in the back there, only. Brandon Ayuk for those San Francisco 49ers. Joe Mixon. Brock Bowers, nice rookie there for the Raiders. Bucky Irving, nice one right there for the Bucks. Hey, there we go. There's a Drake May pedigree hit. Pedigree. Drake May. Origins pedigree. And how about a Nate Wiggins to 49? That's a cool hit right there for the Ravens. So Andrew Maney taking the Drake May pedigree and Nate Wiggins over here for the Ravens. That's Dalton Thompson with that hit. Is pedigree one of the hits that they named on the box? Check that out. I threw the box back here behind us. Nice Drake. That's what Andrew Maney wanted. Let's see here. Where's that box? Looks look for ultra rare Big Bang and pedigree inserts. So yes, this is a ultra rare hit right here. Big time, Andrew. Big time. Drake May pedigree. In the oh, is that Drew Bledsoe in the photo with him? Yeah, it is. That's cool. Yeah, I hadn't seen one of these, so I assumed it might be a shorter print. Drake May pedigree. Bam, Andrew Maney. All right. James Cook on top. Then we're going to have Jerry Jeudy, Devon Achane, Will Shipley. Jermaine Burton's going to be, Will Shipley's a rookie for the Eagles and Todd Bahill. Jermaine Burton, rookie for the Bengals and Wayne Brimley. And then last but not least, Malik Neighbors. Original gridiron right there. That is a sick hit. Awesome. Malik Neighbors. There on the back. Okay, Travis Kelce, Jamar Chase, Malachi Corley, rookie for the Jets, and Wayne Brimley. Nice Drake May rookie card, Patriots, Andrew Maney, Johnny Wilson on the rookie for the Eagles, and an Origins, J.J. McCarthy, startups right there. Very nice hit. Very nice startups for J.J. Vikings is Jennifer Holland. And the Drake May for Andrew. This one feels a little thick, but they all do in this Origins, to be 100% honest with you. Brian Burns. John Elway. Latu. Jalen Wright on the rookie. Latu's a rookie, too, for the Colts. Jalen Wright, rookie for the Dolphins. Colts, Wayne Brimley. Dolphins, J.R. Worthington. Xavier Legette, Origins. Is this like a variation or something? And Ricky Pearsall, 1 of 99 bookend right there. Yeah, that's a variation for Xavier Legette and the Panthers, Dalton Thompson. 2 nice hits. Pearsall for the 49ers. 49ers, Eric Tovar. I'll tell you what, these Origins International blasters aren't bad. Aren't bad at all. Ricky Pearsall. And Xavier Legette. I like to just kind of cut that corner right there. Ricky Pearsall. I believe he's on the back right there too. So that is not Jaden Daniels. That's Jacoby Brissett. Garrett Wilson. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Aroma Dunze, nice rookie for the Bears. Already taking them. There he is, though. There he is. That's our guy, Jaden Daniels. Commanders, Bernard, and a nice Ricky Pearsall. Original gridiron hit in the back. Jaden Daniels on the board. Took all the Jaden Daniels love we can get. All right. Last pack of Origins before we move it on. D.K. Metcalf. Bo Jackson, Bo knows Origins. How about a Joe Milton III there for the Patriots? And Andrew, Joe Milton, of course, went to Tennessee. Michael Penix Jr., there we go, Falcons. And a Spencer Rattler. Nice one. Jennifer's looking for those, I know. She's got the Saints, too. Ladd McConkey on the insert right there. Couple nice cards there. Let me get the Ladd top loaded up. And we're moving on to, we're going to go ahead and do these other 2 boxes of Donruss International. And then we'll hit the Mosaic last. Sipping on Lewis body armor. You know, it's like a Gatorade, Powerade type stuff, except, I don't know. I like it. The fruit punch, it's got a real apple type flavor, which I love. I like an apple juice. I'm an apple juice guy, you know. Always have been. I like apples in general. I might go eat an apple after we're done here tonight. I've already had an apple today. You know what it does? Keeps the doctor away. All right. Empty box. So if I eat like 2 or 3 apples a day, I shouldn't have to see any doctors. All right. Ooh. How about an A-Rod, Aaron Rodgers, 99/99. That's a bookend. Jets, Jets. Wayne Brimley with the hit. Right behind him, Will Shipley, rookie, to 9.99, 189 and 9.99. For Todd Bahel, that's Marquise Colston, Myles Garrett, and John Elway. So 2 numbered hits. Johnny Appleseed. Pull me a hit, Johnny. Christian McCaffrey for the 49ers, Eric Tovar, DJ Moore, George Washington, Otis Anderson, Puka Nacua, Ramondre Stevenson. Ooh, there's Mahomes. Dang, it's the Aaron Rodgers pack. 152 of 399. Jets, Wayne Brimley. Get you some, Wayne. Don't be shy. Don't be shy about it. Christian McCaffrey. He's got a little oodle and doodle mark right there. I don't know what that is. Devin Witherspoon, James Conner, and Patrick Mahomes. Jamar Chase, Cortland Sutton, Bryce Young, Warren Sapp, and T.J. Watt. All right. How about a Cornelius Johnson? Let's go Cornelius Johnson. 13 of 249 for the Chargers and Eric Tovar. Get you some, E. Reggie Wayne, Cole Kmet, Breece Hall, and Josh Allen. All right, one more pack here in box 3. And we're going to have a C.D. Lamb, Dallas Cowboys. Jenny from the block. Taking that CD insert. Brian Robinson Jr., Eli Manning, Jacoby Myers, and K9, Kenneth Walker III. All right. Donruss Elite. Last box of Donruss Elite, and then we're on to the Mosaic No Huddle. Empty box. We pulled a super short print Jeremiah Trotter earlier. Let's pull a big rookie out of this one. Got Kid Reporter on top. How about an Amarius Mims? Bangalang, Cincinnati Bengals. Wayne Brimley with the hit. Chris Jones behind him. Kyle Shanahan, Jalen Johnson, and Sam Laporta. Puka Nakua Elite Deck. Kyron Williams, Jaden Reed, Will Levis, and Deron Payne. How about, hey, Deron Payne, he's the guy, he's the man of the hour. 54 of 249 here for the Commanders. And Bernard Newton Jr., Kyler Murray, Brian Burns, Trevor Lawrence, and Baker Mayfield. We're looking at an Alex Singleton on top here. Jackson Smith and Jigba, Bernie Kosar, Travis Etienne Jr., and Lamar Action Jackson for the Baltimore Ravens. Evan Ingram, Jacksonville Jaguars, Toby Harms. 68 of 399 for Toby. Behind him, Kamani Vidal. This guy really ran hard towards the end of the year. 825 of 999 for the Chargers and Eric Tovar. Nico Collins, Tyler Algier, and DeAndre Hopkins. All right, last pack of Elite here. Looks like we got a nice spellbound. It's going to be C-Mac. Christian McCaffrey. 165 of 349 on the R for the 49ers. Eric Tovar. Those are usually a pretty sought-after set. Anders Carlson, Devontae Adams, Jalen Hurts, and Chris Long. A lot of times people like to put together the whole name for the spellbound, you know. All right, let me top load these numbered hits up, and then we're on to the Mosaic No Huddle. Hey, I don't think we got too many people watching live right now, but if you are in the chat, like I know Jeff McNall, I see you out there. I don't know who else is out there, but if you're in the chat, throw down a guess in the chat on the auto. If you hit the player, we'll give you $20 in free break credit tonight. If you are able to guess the autograph coming up here out of the No Huddle. Give it a shot. If you're watching over on YouTube, you need to be over here on Facebook where you can get in this, you know. Lots of hits over here to top load up. You do get a lot of numbered cards out of the Elite International, I will say that. Aaron Rodgers for Eric Tovar. Not a bad guess the way he's coming out. Jennifer Hollins taking C-Mac. What's up, Megan? Good to see you, too. Rattler. All right. All right, Polk. I like it. All right. Mosaic No Huddle. Always one of my favorites. My favorite of the No Huddle design brand anyway. 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. 144 cards total in the No Huddle. Looking for one autograph. We'd like to find ultra rare inserts, including stained glass, micro mosaic, and more. 3 silver and 10 No Huddle parallels we're going to find in this box. And tomorrow is release day for Donruss football and photogenic football. Ours will be arriving. We'll have some price previews out for you tomorrow and let you know what we've got coming up. We'll have several different breaks headed into Super Bowl, some Super Bowl specials for you. Empty box. And, of course, everybody knows next Wednesday is 2025 Top Series 1 Baseball release day. And we have a full case Pick Your Player break ended on eBay that day for you. We'll also have some Pick Your Team breaks full case as well. So lots of stuff on tap. The following week, Topps Chrome football. So lots of good football coming up here. All right, first pack. Good luck, everybody. This is Mark Andrews. Sam Laporta, Shaq Thompson, Garrett Wilson, Kyron Williams, Jalen Warren, Levante David, Hall of Fame, T.O., Terrell Owens. It's 49ers T.O., so that will go to Eric Tovar. The Bake Show, Baker Mayfield. National Pride, James Cook. Getting busy for the Bills, Bernard Newton Jr. Bernard, that's number 41 of 50, brother. 41 of 50 on the James Cook. Blake Corum. How about on the rookie, Blake Corum? How about a montage for Nick Bosa? Nick Bosa, 49ers. No huddle parallel there. Very nice. Next pack. Dalton Schultz is on top. Dalton Schultz. Sam Hubbard, Trey McBride, Justin Jefferson. That's Double J. Justin Jefferson, Christian Kirk, Travis Kelce, Kayvon Thibodeau. NFL debut rookie for Latu. I don't know exactly how you pronounce his name. Colts, Wayne Brimley, Bobby Wagner out here. How about a honey Bijan Robinson? Bijan Robinson, Atlanta Falcons with the hit. Falcons, Wayne Brimley taking the parallel. This is Graham Barton and Jalen Wright. Graham Barton, Bucks. Jalen Wright, Dolphins. Bucks is Wayne. Dolphins is J.R. Worthington. Deron Bland. Kyle Hamilton. Jordan Love. J.C. Horn. Derwin James Jr. Russell Wilson. How about Dak Prescott on the National Pride? Sam Bradford. Braden Fisk is going to be your silver rookie here. Rams is Fernando taking that one. And Quentin Johnston, not a bad one at all right here for the Chargers. Eric Tovar. 52 of 75. Nice hit. Hey! Cooper DeJean. And Brandon Marshall for the Broncos. Moments in time on the no huddle right there. Broncos, Billy Stop with the hit. Let's go, Billy. C.D. Lamb right here for the Dallas Cowboys. Them boys. Zay Flowers. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Jalen Ramsey, Geno Smith, Derek Carr. How about an NFL debut for Jonathan Brooks from the Carolina Panthers? Dalton Thompson. Ken Anderson for the Bengals. National Pride, that's T.J. Watt. TJ is with the Steelers, Abigail Brimley. Joe Milton, rookie on the no huddle. Andrew Maney. And the New England Patriots taking that one. There's Joe's base rookie for Andrew as well. And Javon Bullard for the Green Bay Packers. Packers is going to be... Who's got them? Can't find them here. Joe Fisher. Joe Fisher's got the pack in this one. All right, next pack. Speaking of pack, on to the next one. Adam Thielen. Ooh, we got a goal. Good luck, everybody. Adam Thielen. Nico Collins. Adam Thielen for the Panthers. Nico Collins, Texans. Here we got T. Higgins, Aiden O'Connell, Breece Hall, Matthew Stafford, Demario Douglas. This is Eddie George. Charles Haley on the Hall of Fame. Is it upside down? Yeah. I don't think it's a rookie. How about Travis Etienne Jr. over here? That's going to the Jaguars. Toby, let's see what our number is. 7 of 10. Gold no huddle, 7 of 10. Travis Etienne Jr. for the Jaguars. There's a nice Brock Bowers rookie for the Raiders. And Barry Sanders, Men of Mastery, going to Justin Story over here. And those Detroit Lions. Larry Sanders. And Travis Etienne Jr. a 10 on the gold. I like it. All right, it's Greg Dortch, Micah Parsons, Jack Campbell, Marquise Hollywood Brown, Brian Burns, Khalil Mack, Brian Mitchell. Nice NFL debut for Bo Nix over here. Broncos Billy. This looks like a horizontal no huddle. Oh, baby Billy. Baby Billy. You guys seen that show? Righteous Gemstones. Oh, baby Billy. All right, Bo Nix over here with the NFL debut and the NFL debut no huddle. Maris Leofau for the Cowboys, and Jennifer and Darius Robinson for the Cardinals, and Wayne. Bo Nix going on the board. Whoa, this pack's all crazy. All right, Daniil, I think we might have an autograph right there. Yep. Might be a golden autograph even. Daniil Hunter, Geno Stone, Evan Ingram, the Honey Badger, Tyrann Mathieu, Al Toon, Josh Allen, National Pride for the Bills, and Bernard. Here's a Vinny Testaverde. Trey Benson on the NFL debut. All right, so let's leave the card behind it. Okay, Devin Leary over here for the Ravens. On the Ravens, that's going to be Dalton Thompson. Moments in time. This is Ed Reed, also for Dalton on the no huddle. Kidderboard in the back, on the back. Christian Kirk is your silver. Let's use Christian Kirk to cover up this. If this is our auto, I believe it is a gold no huddle too. So nice Trey Benson for Wayne and the Cardinals. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Bears. The Bears. Artie Giordano Jr. with the Rome Odunze gold scripts. Is this the 10? It is. 2 of 10. Super short print on the Rome Odunze. Wow, Artie. Sick hit, bro. That's an absolute banger, my friend. Very nice card. I could see him coming on, especially Ben Johnson now in town. Woo-hoo-hoo. I said, Artie, congrats on the Roma Dunze gold scripts autograph right there, brother. Buda Baker, Javonte Williams, James Cook, Daniel Carlson, Aaron Jones, DK Metcalf, Chris Olave, Tony Richardson, National Pride for Trey Hendrickson from the Cincinnati Bengals. Wayne Brimley has the Bengals. Javon Bullard for Mike Fisher on the no huddle rookie for the Packers. Very nice. Cole Bishop rookie for the Bills and Bernard, and Talisa Fuaga. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Talisi Fuaga for the Saints. Saints is Jennifer Holland. Christian Watson, DeAndre Swift. Got some color here, don't we? Michael Pittman, Amari Cooper, Devontae Adams, Mike Williams. This is Cooper Kupp. Greg Lloyd, Andre Reed, Bills, Bernard Newton Jr. Geno Stone is our blue here for the Bengals. Bangalang. There we go. Wayne Brimley. Very nice, Wayne. 20 of 75. Marshawn Lloyd for the Packers. And in the back, hey. Artie just keeps it rolling tonight. How about a Patrick Mahomes montage? No huddle right here. Do we have another Super Bowl MVP on the way? Guess we'll know this weekend. Got to do me up some wings. My son's first Super Bowl. Probably be in bed. All right, Aiden Hutchinson. Josie Jewell, that's a Panthers card. He's in a Buccaneers uniform. As you can see, it's a Panthers card. Has the traded by date on there. Will Anderson, George Pickens, Jordan Addison, Gabe Davis, Chad Johnson. Hey, NFL debut for Jaden Daniels. There we go. Commanders, Bernard taking the hit. Donald Driver. Mark Brunell, no huddle. Jaguars, Toby with the no huddle hit. There's a Xavier Worthy rookie for Artie and the Chiefs, and then Bucky Irving for Wayne and the Buccaneers on the rookie. Two more packs here. Trey Hendrickson for the Bengals. Jalen Thompson, Jarrett Stidham, Demario Davis, Najee Harris, Sam Darnold, C.D. Lamb on the National Pride, Brian Robinson Jr., Xavier Worthy, NFL debut for the Chiefs, Artie Giordano Jr. Here's a Brian Robinson Jr. silver. Man, my heart sank or dropped for a second there, and then went ahead and sank on when I saw it wasn't a Jaden Daniels. But hey, B-Rob, I like him as a player, Bernard. Nice hit. Max Melton. And a carbon copy, 49ers. C-Mac, that's Eric Tovar. Chiefs, Artie with the Pacheco. Carbon copy duel. We'll have to random that off at the end of the break for you guys. To the side. All right, last pack. Hang around afterwards to get a quick recap. And, of course, we'll random that off. Again, be back this week with more football. Photogenic and Donruss. Josh Allen on top for the Bills. Josh Jacobs. Tyson Bagent. Jonathan Taylor. K9. Kenneth Walker III there. Alvin Kamara. Zamir White. DeAndre Hopkins. National Pride. Kyron Williams for the Rams. Rams is Fernando Lopez Jr. Demario Douglas on the no huddle. For the Patriots and Andrew Maney. Here's a Caleb Williams. The Bears. And a J.J. McCaffrey. Wow. Caleb Williams and J.J. McCaffrey together there in the back. Very nice. Get those two in a top loader. Hang around for a second. Let's get a recap. I will try my best to get these out to you tomorrow. Thursday at latest. We'll start working on it tonight. Do have a random to do at the end as well. All right. So you just saw the J.J. McCarthy and the Caleb Williams. Oh, we had Geno Stone for the Bengals there. He's in a Ravens uniform, but it's a Bengals card. Geno Stone for the Bengals. Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. NFL debut, Bo Nix, Broncos. Men of Mastery, Barry Sanders for the Lions. Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. James Cook for the Bills. That's Will Shipley for the Eagles. A-Rod, Aaron Rodgers for the Jets. Not once, but twice. Another A-Rod there. Cornelius Johnson for the Chargers. Amarius Mims for the Bengals. Daron Payne for the Commanders. Evan Ingram for the Jaguars. This is Kimani Vidal for the Chargers. Spellbound, that's C-Mac, Christian McCaffrey for the 49ers. Origins for Ladd McConkey there on the startups. Michael Penix Jr., rookie for the Falcons. Ladd McConkey's with the Chargers. Of course, C-Mac, Christian McCaffrey with the 49ers. And speaking of the 49ers, there's Ricky Pearsall for the 49ers. Jaden Daniels for the Commanders. Xavier Legette for the Panthers. There's a nice Drake May rookie for the Patriots. J.J. McCarthy for the Vikings. Malik Neighbors for the Giants. Nate Wiggins over here for the Ravens. Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. Nate Wiggins for the Ravens once again. Couple Nate Wiggins there. Tyreek Hill for the Miami Dolphins. Dallas Turner for the Vikings. And Jacob Cowing for the 49ers. On the ball, we got a Jaden Daniels, NFL debut rookie for the Commanders there. This is Bo Nix. That's a no huddle there. Bo Nix for the Broncos. Spellbound, Laporta. Sam Laporta, Detroit Lions. This is a pedigree. Ultra rare right there. Drake May. Very nice. Jaden Daniels, extra edition there for the Commanders. Drake May, of course, was with the Patriots there. Ricky Pearsall for the 49ers. This is Jackson Smith and Jigba to 49 there for the Seahawks. The Pearsall is to 99. This is Travis Etienne Jr. That's to 10 on the gold. 7 of 10. And this is Jeremiah Trotter, 2 of 9. A couple super short print hits right there. Etienne Jr. for the Jaguars. Jeremiah Trotter for the Eagles. On this side, you've got, this is to 25, Anthony Gould on the rookie. Anthony Gould, I'll try to get that little oodle and doodle off. And last but not least, how about a Scripps, Roma Dunze? Awesome hit right there. 2 of 10. 2 of 10. All right, so we do have one card over here that's a carbon copy. It's for Christian McCaffrey. And who's it with? Isaiah Pacheco. I don't know if those two are carbon copies or not. I might dispute that a little bit. But nonetheless, we are going to random the card. So let me get the random.org stuff up here real quick. And it's going to be between McCaffrey and Pacheco. Okay. All right. First things first, get a number between 7 and 10. We're going to go 10 times here. As you can see, I have McCaffrey first there. He's on the left. And Pacheco on the bottom on the right. We're going to spin this 10 times. Whoever's on top of the 10th spin takes the card. There's once, twice, 3 times. We can always tell how many times we've gone right there. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9. This will be the 10th and final spin. Good luck. Spin 10, Isaiah Pacheco, Chiefs, and Artie taking the carbon copy here there. All right, everybody, that's that for tonight's break. Do hope to see you back this week for some photogenic and Donruss football. Again, head over to our eBay store, get some bids in on that 2025 Top Series 1 full case jumbo hobby pick your player break. We'd love to have you in that. We'll have 3 full case pick your player breaks on the way throughout the first week. But that one kicks us off, ends on release night. Anybody needs anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. If I don't get back to you immediately, I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Be on the lookout for those price previews tomorrow. For now, peace out from the East Coast. Y'all have a good one.